We got the senior leadership of Mahr Metrology with us today at IMTEX 2025. Let's try and understand about some of the latest products, innovations, that they have launched today. So, firstly, welcome. What are some of the products or initiatives that you would want to tell us about?
You see, the world of metrology is undergoing a lot of changes, and we at Mahr, being a 160-year-old company in the field of dimensional metrology, we are doing a lot to be in sync with the latest requirements of our customers. So, if you see here today, one of the most interesting and exciting products that we have launched is our new range of non-contact surface measurement and surface characteristic measurement product. So you have got here, there's a small sensor out here, the blue color sensor that you can see. That is a very powerful tool which can measure surface roughness, form parameters, waviness, all in one single sensor at a very high speed. And the beauty of this product is that it can be used in the shop floor itself, and right at the point where you are doing the measurement of your, doing the manufacturing of your product. Apart from that, you can always see that the standard range of products are all available. So our shaft measurement machines, contour measurement machines, and form measurement machines, apart from the handheld instruments which are there.
Right. Sustainability is one of the big buzzwords today. So, what are some of the sustainable measures that you have taken at your company?
Whenever we talk about sustainability, a very important parameter which comes in is how do you reduce the carbon emission. So be it IC engines, as we know, are one of the major sources of carbon emission. Any of our customers who want to make more and more efficient IC engines would require to maintain higher and higher tolerances. And this is where Mark steps in by providing the right instruments and measurement solutions, metrology solutions to our customers, by which they can achieve these tighter tolerances, thereby reducing the carbon imprint of their products when they go out into the market. Apart from this, we support the EV manufacturing strongly. We have got a host of interesting and exciting solutions to support battery manufacturing, cell manufacturing, especially on the non-contact range. So with this together, we are wholeheartedly supporting the issue of sustainability across the globe.
So, if you can tell us about some of the opportunities, some new markets that you're planning to, tap in the coming 1 year.
What we see in India is some of the segments which are like the sunrise segments. So we have got EV vehicles, we have got renewable energy, we have got medicine, electronics, semiconductors. These are all exciting fields. And our endeavor at Mahr India is to work with our principals in Mahr Germany and bring the latest technology in dimensional metrology, which should be applicable into these segments and into these sunrise sectors, so that when the production and activities really start, they are not found wanting in terms of the dimensional metrology support which they might be requiring.
Lastly, if you can tell us about some of your plans for India in the next 1 year, some new initiatives, some new products that's there in the pipeline that you would like to tell us about.
As I already told you, Mahr is focusing very heavily on the non-contact metrology front. So we are having a lot of interesting products which are getting launched in the field of non-contact measurement, using optical technology, using sensorics, using electronics. We are very excited about the growth opportunities which India presents, and we at Mahr would like to be a part of that. We understand very well that one of the major challenges being faced by our customers today is availability of trained manpower to carry out the metrology activities. So in India, we plan to launch the Mahr Academy, which would be an interesting digital platform to bring in Mahr's 160 years old knowledge to our customers, to help them train their people better and to train their people more effectively in the field of dimensional metrology. Apart from that, we are expanding our footprint in India, whether it is in terms of our own people, sales and service engineers, or our own or our distributors, or our certified maintenance partners. So we are going out basically to reach almost all nook and corner of the country, so that our customers are not left behind. Last but not the least, Mahr's focus into creating state-of-art experience centers is also going on in full swing, and our latest experience center, which we have created in Bangalore, is a testimony to that.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for talking to us. Thank you so much.
Yeah, my name is Deepayan Das. I am the managing director of Mahr Metrology. And Mahr Metrology is a company which has been present in India since the year 2006. We are a dimensional metrology company, a 160-year-old German company, German family-owned business in the field of dimensional metrology. And we have been serving customers in India since 2006.